Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Today I will show how to service or clean your AC at home without any serviceman. Let's start our video. Oil the motors. Open the screws from the upper cover of the AC. The upper cover of the AC has been removed. Open the temperature sensor. Open the display panel. Open the screws of the circuits. Wash the AC's backside grill. Make sure that the water should pass from both sides of the grill. Wash it from both the sides. Wash the front side of the grill using a waste or used brush. Clean the fan. Clean the basement of the AC. Take some Harpic in a bowl. Rub the inner side of the grill using brush and Harpic. Spray Lysol on the grill. Repeat the same process. Wash the grills after applying Lysol. Wash the nets with toothpaste. Wash the covers of the AC. Now the washing process is completed. Let's fix the upper cover. Fix the screws as shown in the video. Now fix the display panel. Fix the wires on the circuit panel very carefully and properly. Now fix the cover of the display panel. Check whether it is working or not.